welcome back to SIA Slurps. Today we're going to be making BUDAE JJIGAE. BUDAE JJIGAE is an army stew, loosely translated of course, and that is to do with the Korean War. So American soldiers came to Korea to help out with the war. They brought things like spam, macaroni, beans, all the stuff they don't find in Korea. The Korean soldiers mixed it up together with what they found from the American soldiers and thus formed BUDAE JJIGAE. BUDAE JJIGAE is one of my favorite foods. It has noodles, it has ramen, it has cheese in it, it has beans in it, it has spam in it. Fuck yes. And it was super easy to make in under half an hour. Let's go check it out.